Hi, first graders. Today is Wednesday, and we are on day 3 of talking about our straw card, which says ah, ah. Let's review a few words. All right, so AW is one of our spellings for our ah sound. So we have d, ah. The whole word is draw. Let's try another one. Here we have AL, which is another spelling for our ah sound. Sound it out. W, ah. Word is walk. Here's another AW. We have J. Word is jaw. Now another spelling for is AUGH. So we have T. T. Word is taught. Another spelling is AU. We have word is hall. Here's another AL. Ready? We have our digraph ch. Word is chalk. Ready? Blend. K, word is crawl. There's our sound. Ready? Sound it out. S, this CE's together says s. Sauce. Word is sauce. A by itself can also say so we have w, word is wall. There's AL again. Ready? Salt. Salt. Okay, now we are going to do some blending. You're going to read each sound as it pops up on the screen. Ready? Read. Word is. Next word. Word is salt. Ready? Read. Ooh. Word is. This is a tricky one. We have ooh, launch. Word is launch. Next word. Word is chalk. Okay, sounds two times as they're underlined. Ready? Read. Sh, sh, you. I can say y or I or e. Less, oi. This can say or ooh. Same here. Okay, stretch it out. Listen first. K, word is call. Next word. The word is sauce. Next word. The word is talk. Next word. The word is ball. Next word. Word is, we have word is ball. Next word. K. Word is, remember AUGH is another spelling for so we have k, word is, next word, so word is also. Next word. Word is haunt. Next word. Ing at the end. The word is drawing. Next word. Word is full of awful. Ready? Next word. This is B. Oz. Word is because. Okay, we have some vowel team words. So remember when we have two vowels together, they are a team. So instead of making two sounds, at, all at. That doesn't make sense. We just say what O makes together, which is O. So we have oat, oat. Then EA together says E, or so we have E. Oh, the word is meal. The whole word together is oat, meal. What's the word? Hey, here we have our vowel team AUGH, which says off. And then ER is our R controlled vowel, the bossy R. It says So we have D, T, word is daughter. AU, G, word is August. Here we have O at the end because it's an open syllable. That means that there is no letter here to close in the vowel. Open syllable makes the vowel say its name. So this says O. So we have O. The whole word is auto. Next word. A, U, W, A, Y together says A. This says Z. Always. What's the word? Okay, next word. And then A. So we have A, U, W, A. Word is hallway. Next word. We have EE, which says E. Then right here. Ready? Ooh, E, ooh, S. Word is sleep, less. Here's our suffix less, which means without sleep. Okay, next word, think. Say, word is OI says oi, so we have oin. The word is join. Next word, think. J. This is a vowel team, U and E. Oo, n. Word is June. Last word. This says un, which means not. That's our prefix un. And then we have untrue. So that means not true. Okay, we are going to read some sentences, one word at a time. Word is did. What's the word? Sight word is you. What's the word? Sound it out. Think. Say. The word is draw. Sight word is next word. Word is hawk. Sight word is last word. Word is sorry, got more. Or what's the word? Sight word is and last word we have all us. This word is walrus. Let's sound it out together. Ready? Read. Did you draw a hawk, a fawn, or a walrus? Good job. Next sentence. When we have the letters MRS period, that stands for Mrs., just like you see in the front of my name, Mrs. Rayfoff. So this word is Mrs. What's the word? Then we have Paul with an apostrophe S. So that means that Mrs. Paul is going to own something. Think. Say. The word is daughter. Think. Say. The word is crawled. Sight word is on. Sight word is the. Think. Say the word is lawn. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Mrs. Paul's daughter crawled on the lawn. So once again, we have this apostrophe S, which shows possession. So the daughter belongs to Mrs. Paul. All right, the story we are reading today is called Thank You Authors. What's it called? Now, an author is somebody who has written a story. Okay, so our sound this week is our straw card, which says ah. So we have the word author and authors. Both of those have our aw sound in them. We also have the word pause right here, which has our aw sound in it as well. Let's read this story together. Ready? Read. If you love to read, then you can thank an author. Authors help us to pause and make a picture in our minds when we read books. Awesome job. Next page. Let's see. So we have the word hawk, which has our ah sound. We also have our launch. Now the word rocket has ah in it, but it is spelled O, which is our octopus card. And then once again, we have the word author. We have cause. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. When you choose a book, think about the words inside. Is the book about a hawk? Is the book about men who will launch a rocket? An author uses all kinds of words. An author can cause you to think about a lot of things. Next page. Right here we have the word haunted. Then the second word right here is house, and that has our ow sound in it. We have our book card right there. We have lawns, which has our ah sound. Right here we have autos. And in this sentence it says a father can read a book about bikes or autos, and autos are referring to cars. Here we have the word authors again. We have draw. There's the word draw one more time. All right, let's read it together. Ready? Read. Brother can read a book about a haunted house. A mother can read a book about plants or lawns. A father can read a book about bikes or autos. Some authors can draw too. They might draw a new land or a shark with big teeth. All right, last page. We have the word dawn, which has our ah sound. This word is yawn. Here's the word author once again, and let's read it together. Ready? Read. At dawn, you can wake up, yawn, and grab a book. You can call a friend and read together. What do you like to read? If you met an author, what words would you use? What would you say to him or her? You can say, "Thank you." Now, there are tons of great authors out there. Go ahead and check out our read aloud page on our website. There's tons of stories on there for you to listen to. Our last thing we're going to talk about today is our vowel team. So when the letters A and U come together in a word, they act as a team, so you must say them in the same syllable. So we have the word laundry. Okay? Same thing here. A and I are together, they say A. So we have X plain. Here is one vowel, so that makes up a syllable. And then this is a vowel team, so it's in the second syllable. Let's look at a few more. We have awful. Here's one vowel. Here's a vowel team, so they are in different syllables. Last one, we have OA, so we have soap. And then I is our second syllable.